Exposing the secrets to budget gaming. Struggling with expensive PC setups? Watch this. First up, the CPU. We're picking the AMD Ryzen 3 2200G. This budget-friendly CPU has built-in Vega graphics, perfect for Fortnite and Valorant. Cost? $80 $100. Go for an entry-level AM4 like the MSI A320M, estimated at $50 $60. For RAM, grab 8GB of DDR4. Cost? About $20 $30. Storage? A 240GB SSD keeps load times quick, just $15 to $20. A reliable $400 PSU from a trusted brand is essential, around $25 $30. Check eBay or local listings for good deals. Estimated